Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's Kdenlive tutorial we will learn how to make talking head video like round shape of video and rectangular video inside Kdenlive and resize this, zoom this. We have compared this Kdenlive tutorial, this talking head video to our Davinci Resolve. In Davinci Resolve in the advanced video editing software such facility is available, and the same way in Kdenlive too very easily you can make such type of talking head video inside video. There are lots of effect rotations, such type of effects you can add, and you can make a generator you can add behind the background. This will be the advanced class, and for beginners to intermediate to advanced users, dear friend, don't miss any step. Listen till the end, then you will understand how what's the use of this talking head video. It will be the very important class, today's class, dear friend. Don't miss any step. Without wasting time, let's jump into Resolve for you. Hello dear friend, we are now in the Kdenlive interface. In today's tutorial we will learn how to use talking head video in Kdenlive. First I want to show you in Davinci Resolve. Here you see I have used such type of for our tutorial this talking head video. You can a small video, you can round rectangle video, you can resize crop the video, you can make in very easily in here Davinci Resolve. You come here for this, you have to use a transform. Here you see for transform effect. Actually the same effect we can use in Kdenlive too, and Kdenlive is also advanced like Davinci Resolve. You see I have used such type of talking head video here. I have cropped here. Today for this I use often effects. I come here, use this is a transform effect. From here I have used such type of, but same you can round, you can rectangle, you can use in Kdenlive too. For this we come here in Kdenlive. Here our Kdenlive is here, and I will take the same video. You see which video we have taken here in for this tutorial here in Davinci Resolve. We come here, and we have same video here. You see I will drag this video to here our timeline. Now you see now we are in our timeline here. You see this is not beautiful here because my clothes are here, and it's up not good. So I want to remove this part, and I want to use this video as a talking head video like beautiful, and same like Davinci Resolve. I can use this you see here background, any beautiful background, various color we can use. Actually the same background and talking head video in Kdenlive. We just come here, and for this view we have to come to effect. Here you see here you will find the effect. Here you have to type crop. You see crop, there are several. You see crop by padding, crop, scale, tilt, eddies, crop. But if you want to make a talking head video like Davinci Resolve, you have to come here for in transform. You see transform, distort, and perspective category. In this category I will crop only I will drag this crop by padding. I will take this to here and apply here, just drag and drop here on this clips, our tutorial clips. Now we have come here. You see now our effect has effect here. You see has appeared here. You can use time keyframing etc, but today we want to use just simple how we can use for this our talking head video. We can Y. You see here this is Y. You can crop like this. Y I am dragging to left. You see Y I am dragging to left. You can adjust like same. Y drag to left here. Once you come here, and X, you know X left right, you can position here. Again I will just you see Y position here. I will drag, and you see I have cropped like, and X we will maintain like this how much we have cropped. It's a very easy in Kdenlive. It's not so tough. You see I have for demo purposes I am showing you very carefully. And once we have come here, and now we can crop this side to tie this left and right. Here for height we can just like this. You see here you can crop like this, and wide like we have just crop here wide. Here we come here just and once you come here, now you can Y. Here we have apply Y, and when this I will here we will maintain in this way. You have to see one by one, and you see now I am dragging Y. You see yes I'm dragging. I will make it more Y top. I am just cropping here top. Once more we have to adjust here. You see we have adjusted here, and we will adjust height. Once we have adjusted this wide left right, you have to adjust for more resize. You can more precisely crop here. For precisely cropping you have to come here. You see there is a linkage here. You have to just unlink here. You just click here. You see now I have unlink here, and now we can make more precise here. From here you see more precisely we can cut here. We can in the same way we can drag from here. You see here, we can make position here, left, right, here in the same way. Height, if you see height is not accurate, you can in this way maintain. You see here, no XY, you can actually here, you can position here in Kdenlive. Width, you can increase the width from here if you are not satisfied here, and you have to try on your clip XY, how you applying to your clip here. Once you come here, and we are, if you are not satisfied, we come here and we just apply here to more and more precisely. We want to up our head is here, you see cutting just with XY, you know, Y up and down. You see now we have more. Once you can unlink here, from here you can do more precisely. If you, it will apply to one size here, you see, actually it's the work of hair, you see. And I will width here, I can apply like this here. You have to use a link and unlink here from to more resize cropping. If you are not able to resize properly, you have to remember this. Actually this is the work of link and unlink. Sometimes you have to unlink for more precisely. But you see now I am satisfied here. We have now we can do like round corner. We have to make like Davinci Resolve here, you see this round. Otherwise you, if you like in the same way you can put there here. But I want to, you see here radius, this radius you have to increase, it will be round here radius, you see. You can make more round here. Otherwise rectangle, little bit rectangle round here, you see this round corner and rectangle size. It's a mixed, it's I use like this for my talking head video. You can make this round. You see I have made this round here, same like Davinci Resolve here. We actually everything you can do which we do in the Davinci Resolve here, you see. It's very easy in this free open source video editing software. You can do it. I am satisfied like this. Now you see I have made, but you can, I want to put this here in like Davinci Resolve. You see here our video is here in the corner. I want to put here in Kdenlive too. How I will do? I come here and no, I can't drag. Actually we have only cropped here resize and make this round corner here and talking head video here, you see. We have made around corner here, but we can use here for this. We have to come here and we have to type position. You see position and zoom. Actually this is actually we can apply here. We can drag and just insert on our this clip, place on our clip. Now you see I have this this crop, padding crop property, and now we have this zoom and position. You see XY, you understand, X left right. If I want to go to right here, just click to right side here, you see here X is right, and more I want to click, you can write number if you go here and very easily. But I'm comfortable like this. I will drag here and I want to put this video to up. No, you see up, I'm going to up, scroll up, you see here. No, our video is here, and you can make very small talking head video. And if you want to zoom here, you can actually zoom here. You see this is the size here. From here you can zoom 100% if you want. This 100% you can very small you can make, you see, very small. Like in the corner you can put like talking head video, but I want to use like this. Okay, I want to use like this, and I will put here. In this way you can make the which in the, we use actually in the here in Davinci Resolve here. Now I want to use something here, and like subscribe, like same things you can do here in Kdenlive too. And we have already used. Now I want to change the background. Actually we can very easily change the background. You see padding here, color here, we just click here and we will tag here. We have to click the pen here, you see pencil. Now we come here pencil, we can tag any color. I want this color. Okay, now this color has appeared. Okay, I will click once again. If it doesn't come here, you have to just take pen. Okay, sometimes it doesn't apply, but most of time it apply. Oh, no, it has applied here. You see, it has applied. Most of time it works. So we have just applied. No, because we have used this zoom effect also in position. So this is actually the position. Their zoom and position. Their space has appeared here. No, the same things we have. We come here and we have to do like here we. This for a generator we use here padding color, and now we come here and we will use this zoom. You see here zoom position, and we drag here. Now same color we have to put select here. I will come here and I will just select. Okay, so once again sometimes it makes problem. You see actually this. Okay, this is the color. See, now we have appeared like generator color because we have changed the padding color here in the same, and position in the position and zoom's color also the same. This color is this green. So in this way we have used this talking head video. And now I will come to our project bin and we can take any something. For example, I can use any here Kdenlive tutorial. We can put here, you see in now Kdenlive tutorial I can make here more resize here, you see we can put on the whole timeline in this way. You see we have lots of things you can do in inside Kdenlive. And now I come here, I want to use any thumbnail, so I come here and we have thumbnail from here, this curve editor, and I will drag this thumbnail, you see I will drag and copy here, I will put here. Now this thumbnail has appeared here, you see. Now I want to use this thumbnail here, and I will come here and drag this thumbnail to direct to our timeline, and you can make here in this way. Control, you can make, you see I have Kdenlive tutorial I have used. There are multi tracks in Kdenlive, you can work same like Premiere Pro in there. You see here. Now I want to crop here, zoom, same zoom effect I have to use because I want to make here small. So I will come here to effect, this position and zoom. I will drag this property to direct in here in the curve editor tutorial. Now I will zoom here. We can, you see now. Okay. Now I can change the position XY, here XY. Actually you can use zoom effect in the next class. We will learn how we can do no XY, up down here we can use more precisely. Here we will put here. So see how we can make a tutorial video in Kdenlive. You can see here we have other video from last classes here, and here we will see how we have made this talking head video. Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's tutorial we will learn about Share X, how to use Share X, how to take a screen record, how we can record various type of screen in various size, and how we can take a screenshot. We have divided, so you can see how we can how to crop resize. We have used this Kdenlive tutorials. You can write direct how you can use this in color clip. You can use text, add text to your thumbnail actually, or any photo you can take in Kdenlive. It's a very lots of advanced things you can do. And you see curve editor thumbnail we have taken and put here we have just crop video like talking head video, in which we use in Premiere Pro, here in Premiere Pro and Davinci Resolve like advanced software video editing software. Same thing you can do in Kdenlive. You see how we use generator here from repeat the class, revise the class, take some clips from your mobile or camera and do some things which I have applied here in the class. Please write in the comment box how was the class, and you apply same things and write me. Don't forget to write how was your experience, or what did you learn from this class, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe, because your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more tutorial about Kdenlive for your creativity, for our creativity. Hello dear friends, so we have learned today how to use how we can use this talking head video inside Kdenlive, how we can make, rearrange, resize. We can use various type of generator colors, we can add effects, and we can use other type of template inside Kdenlive. Apply these all parts to your class, to your clip, take any clip and practice. After practicing, don't miss to write me in the comment box how you have applied this such type of tutorial to your clips, how much you have learned. Write in the comment box for motivating me, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channels and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such tutorials. Like, share, comment, dear friends. We meet in the next class, and with new topics we will meet, and there will be a lot of series of Kdenlive tutorial. If you want to learn this advanced video editing software, please join these channels and motivate me. Take care, bye, we meet in the next class.